Hi Sculpture, welcome back. Welcome to week 7. Here we go. This week we're eventually gonna get some rainbow wall artists. We are going to sketch new prompts. We're gonna complete an artist spotlight as usual. So those are two old things, I guess, that we have habits, and I believe in you all. And we're gonna continue to master art skills. This week we're gonna start planning for our Alebrije project, whatever that may look like for a at-home student. This month is the month of October. In October, there is an art challenge called Inktober. And so that's when in your sketches you create sketches with a pencil underdrawing. That means a rough draft. And then on top of that, you try to draw with pen, ink, Sharpies, markers, but something permanent since it's called Inktober. This is not mandatory. This is not going to be graded. You're not going to get extra credit. This is just a fun thing to try to push yourself, and it can be really fun to follow a prompt list for the next couple days. I know I've had so much fun over bait and break, and it can be something really simple, like working on your calligraphy skills up here. It can be something that pushes yourself towards more realism. It can be animals, it can be people, as long as it fits within the prompt. And so it can be something from your favorite movie. One of my favorite movies is Princess Bride. I was able to draw something from that. As long as it fits within the day, it is totally fine. So I totally challenge you guys, if you want to do Inktober, to do Inktober. It's awesome. And here are the prompts I've left on the slide. But yeah, happy Inktober. Yay! To those new to sculpture, welcome. Here is a slide on how to do artist spotlights. Weekly breakdown. So Monday we have no school. Yay! Tuesday, you're going to research lightly Alebrijes online. Alebrijes are magical, mystical creatures featured in Oaxaca, Mexico, and has grown into Mexican culture around Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead. Alebrijes are mentioned briefly, and you can see a lot of different visual examples in Disney Pixar's Coco. And you are going to decide in your brain whether you are going to make an Alebrije once you see what they are, or you are going to create a 2D or just artwork of your Alebrije, not actually make it in 3D, because it is a very messy process. Wednesday and Thursday, again, we're going to further choose a choice project for that Alebrije and create 3 thumbnails of your possible Alebrije. Alebrije, like here on the bottom, these magical, mystical little creatures. This is a slide explaining a little bit what they are and what they can look like. And so this is our choice slide, what you guys are going to do. I don't know if I grew up in a very different situation. We did not have very good internet at home. I had 5 brothers and sisters, all of which love to go through each other's stuff. So I am thinking of this project. I don't know whether I could have done it as a student. However, that may not be your situation at home. You may have supportive parents, you may have all the supplies you need, and it could be great. So I want to give you choices of what you can do rather than forcing you to create an actual 3D Alebrije at home. So choice number 1, this is construction. Just like in-person students, you'll be constructing a paper mache sculpture at home. Paper mache paste is just flour and water. So if you have a big roll of paper towels, a roll of masking tape, which I already gave you in your sculpture kit, and a bag of flour, you can do this project. It's messy and it's hard, but you could do it. Choice number 2. Students will create 3 different artworks of their Alebrije from different angles. So 3 different either paintings or drawings in color that show your Alebrije looking up, looking down, looking to the side. So you can look at it as a form or a 3D object rather than just a drawing. And number 3 is sort of a blend. You're going to create 2 different drawings or paintings of your Alebrije looking to side or looking to up. And then you're going to submit a poem or a short story about their Alebrije spirit guide. If they're a good Alebrije, if they're a naughty Alebrije, who they guided from the spirit world, whether it was somebody you knew, like a friend or a loved one that's unfortunately passed away, or whether they just like to hang out if they're waiting for you. So that's another choice you could do with this project. Totally up to you. Once you've chosen a choice project, you're going to go ahead and start on your thumbnails. This is in Google Classroom in a worksheet, found in the Tuesday post this week, not the Monday post. And each Alebrije must include 2 animals blended together, so like a bunny and a pig put together, for example. 3 to 5 bright colors. There is the American Halloween. We tend to stick to dark colors, murky greens, browns, blacks, dark red, dark purple. Mexican culture, Dia de los Muertos, like they'll use black as an accent color, but it is very bright and colorful and gorgeous. So don't look towards the American Halloween color scheme for Dia de los Muertos, all right? And then we have 2 to 3 organic patterns. That's like swirls, leaves, flowers, blobs. 2 to 3 geometric patterns, shapes, jagged lines, you know, very harsh angles. All right, guys, hopefully this explains so much. I know this was a longer video. I'm so sorry about that. And good luck this week.